Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fit our Drape Form Removal Handle kits to your forms. You can have the straight sided or the chamfer forms. In the kit you get the handle and the small thread insert which you'll put into your forms. So first thing is you need to mark the centre. Doesn't need to be the centre, but the centre of the back of the form. You then need a 8mm drill and then a piece of tape that's 12mm from the end of the drill. So you're going to drill a 12mm hole. Drill that through into your form. So just drill down until the tape is flush with the back of your form, so there's no hole on the other side. Then put your insert in with the flat part first, then position, put it on the floor, and then hammer in the thread insert to the back. So it's nice and flush in the back. And then take your handle and then insert that in and screw it in. Tighten up, and there it is fitted.